Hate packing but love getting away? Welcome to the Lazy Traveler's Guide, where laid-back wanderlust meets stress-free planning. I'm Ryan Brooks, your go-to guy for travel tips that are as chill as your favorite pair of sweatpants. Today, we're diving into the magical world of packing cubes and how they can transform your travel experience from a chaotic mess into a seamless adventure. Let's face it, packing can be a real drag. You want to bring everything but end up with a suitcase that refuses to close. Enter packing cubes, the unsung heroes of travel gear. These little wonders are designed to not only organize your luggage, but also maximize space. Think of them as Tetris blocks for your clothes. You simply roll, fold, or stuff your clothes into these cubes, zip them up, and voila! You've got yourself a neatly organized suitcase with room to spare. Now, you might be wondering, do I really need another thing to pack? Well, the beauty of packing cubes is that they actually reduce the packing hassle. Imagine reaching your destination and knowing exactly where everything is. No more rummaging through a jumbled suitcase to find that one elusive sock. Plus, packing cubes can be a lifesaver for those spontaneous travelers who need to unpack quickly, whether you're crashing at a hostel for the night or staying in a cozy Airbnb. And if you're thinking about doing a bit of shopping while you're away, packing cubes can help you keep your new treasures separate from your worn clothes. Just designate a cube for souvenirs and you're good to go. They even come in different sizes so you can mix and match based on your needs. Throw in a small cube for electronics, a medium one for tops, and a large one for pants, and you're all set. It's like having a personal assistant for your suitcase. So, there you have it. Packing cubes, your new travel best friend. They're simple, affordable, and make packing a breeze. Next time you're preparing for a trip, give them a try and see how much easier your travel life becomes. And hey, if you enjoyed this little slice of lazy travel wisdom, why not subscribe for more tips that help you travel smarter, not harder? Until next time, keep it easy and keep exploring.